Oh my God, it's so different now. Yeah, how they used to hit me, now they let me down. Yeah, I remember days of wearing hand-me-downs. Yeah, got it out the mud, they understand me now. I swear I'm just a young, no, keep counting up a check. I've been having fun.
All that magic on the wig, I'm going to actually apply the wig, and it's going to be like the super quick, easy way. So I'm going to apply some Gorilla Snot, and it says, if you guys can see, it's like the strongest hold, and it's Gorilla Sport, so I don't know the difference, to be honest. I just grabbed one that said it was strong. And I'm just applying this along my edge line. I want everything to be like laid back and out of the way, my hair at least. I'm just using this in place of a got to be glue gel that you see people normally use. So now I'm gonna take my blow dryer on a cool setting, and it's not on. I know some people use the stocking cap method where they like lay it down like scalp. I personally am not a big fan of that method, only because, like, shorty, that's a lot of work. Your girl, I'm too impatient for that. So here's my handy dandy wig. Her name is Sarah.
Who are you talking to?
Mom, I am recording.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hello, world.
All right, so I put the foundation on. I don't know if you can see. And now I'm going to just place it on my head. So, like, you can tell, baby, that just melted, okay? Oh my gosh, when I say this is my holy grail, like, I freaking love this stuff. So, I'm gonna take my free spray and I'm gonna spray it. And I'm gonna blow dry. Baby, so the wig is on. It's not going nowhere. I have product right here, a little bit of extra hairspray. So I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I just put it under some water and I'm just gonna rub that out. Cause don't nobody wanna see all that. No, 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 no. Make sure you don't rub it, you know, where you putting it on the lace like too much, because then you're gonna have to like redo it. Here are my curls. They're all tucked away. Yeah, where's my comb? I'm gonna comb them out. By the way, this hair is from, I believe it's from Alipearl hair. I've had this hair for so long, actually. Am I giving y'all like old school housewife? Cause that's what I see right now. This is like really voluptuous and like it's big. Like, talk about big hair. I don't know how I feel about this I don't know how I feel about it. What do y'all think? Maybe I should try it on the, oh, okay, I got a different vibe on that side now. Hold on. Like I was saying, this hair is from Alipearl hair. I've had this hair for quite a long time. I actually got it for Christmas when they were having a big sale for Christmas, and I've had it since. I wear it like, honestly, I wear it all the time. I love this hair. It's super, like, it's still soft to this day. I will do a review on this hair if you guys want. Thumbs up this video if you want me to do a review on this hair to see how it's holding up. Two more things I need to do. I'm gonna lay I don't like this because it looks really wiggy. So I'm gonna lay it down. I'm gonna use my curling iron. So the very last thing I'm gonna do to make it more realistic is take my contour. Okay, so this is the wig on. Are y'all feeling it? Or let me turn to the side so y'all can see it. And the other side. It's really pretty, it's really big, it's really luscious, it's really voluminous, and it's really like, it's giving me a lot of life. I'm not gonna lie to y'all right now. That's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it. Comment down below and tell me what you did like about it. And if you're not a subscriber, sis, what are you doing? Like, what's going on? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Like, go ahead and click that red button. Click it up. Click it up. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. It'll be on the screen as always, and it'll be in the description box below. Oh my gosh, thank you all so much for tuning in with me. Give me a kiss. I can't wait to see you again.